So here we have the Volkswagen Polo on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further, and then this tray section can lift to reveal even more space again. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and the coolant temperature gauge. And on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles for this car, about 6,770. We then have the digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed in that section by using buttons on the steering wheel for various bits of driving data, but there are other menus too. So assist systems, your audio, telephone, vehicle status, and then back around to where we started again. We'll back out to the steering wheel next. So on the right hand side here are the buttons I was using just a second ago. We've also got stereo controls there, which continue over on the left hand side. The main stereo, of course, is over in the center, which we'll move to next. Okay, so we're on the radio menu at the moment. You can see there that we have got FM and DAB radio available, internet radio as well. If you listen to your own music, you can do that via Bluetooth audio, so you can stream it wirelessly. You can also access My Media, which will give you certain abilities in terms of setting up your own playlists. You can set up your phone from here. Once you've done so, you'll then be able to make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. Working our way down from that, we then have the air conditioning for the car. So you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, you can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. Once you're happy with those settings, hit that button there to turn the air conditioning on. Same button will turn it off again, of course. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set just here. Underneath that, we have storage and 2 USB-C inputs. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and you can turn the parking sensors on and off from here as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.